In a luxury automotive world rapidly transitioning towards electrification, the Audi Phantom Q9 2027 emerges as a bold vision of the future where technology, performance, and emotional design merge into one captivating package. From the very first glance, this SUV feels as though it has stepped directly out of a high-budget science fiction film, while still preserving the premium identity that has defined Audi for decades. What makes the Phantom Q9 particularly intriguing is not merely its dramatic styling, but the way it reimagines what a flagship luxury SUV could become for a new generation of customers. If Audi were to build a vehicle like this in the near future, many established competitors might suddenly find themselves facing an entirely different game. 1. Exterior design. The Audi Phantom Q9 2027 possesses a design language that encourages viewers to pause longer than usual because nearly every surface and detail has been created to command attention instantly. The front fascia is undoubtedly the vehicle's most striking feature, dominated by a massive digital grille incorporating hundreds of illuminated LED elements that create an unmistakably futuristic visual signature. A full-width daytime running light stretches across the front end, making the SUV appear significantly wider while enhancing brand recognition during nighttime driving. The Matrix LED headlamps feature razor-sharp graphics that deliver an aggressive appearance yet maintain the elegance expected from a flagship luxury SUV. The hood incorporates functional carbon fiber air vents that add visual muscle while potentially improving aerodynamic efficiency at higher speeds. Viewed from the side, the Phantom Q9 displays exceptionally balanced proportions, featuring a strong shoulder line, sculpted body surfaces, and an imposing wheel design. Large 24-inch alloy wheels paired with high-performance red brake calipers create a commanding stance, while widened wheel arches help the vehicle appear lower and more athletic. Details such as flush door handles, digital side mirrors, and illuminated running boards elevate the sense of sophistication and technological advancement. The rear design continues the futuristic theme with a full-width LED light bar that delivers a dramatic visual effect whenever the vehicle is illuminated. A sporty roof spoiler, aggressive rear diffuser, and multiple carbon fiber accents contribute to a design that balances luxury and performance remarkably well. Overall, the exterior suggests that this is far more than a transportation device, serving instead as a statement piece for owners who enjoy standing apart from the crowd. 2. Interior design. If the exterior sparks curiosity, the crystal white interior of the Audi Phantom Q9 2027 transforms that curiosity into genuine admiration from the moment occupants step inside. The cabin follows a modern minimalist philosophy, yet still feels exceptionally luxurious through its careful combination of premium materials and advanced technology. A horizontally oriented dashboard enhances the perception of spaciousness, while seamlessly integrated digital displays create a clean and futuristic environment. The multifunction steering wheel features a contemporary design, highlighted by an illuminated logo at its center, providing a memorable welcome experience. A fully digital instrument cluster offers extensive customization, allowing drivers to prioritize navigation, vehicle data, and performance information according to preference. The central console combines gloss black surfaces, brushed metal accents, and carbon fiber trim to deliver a premium and technologically advanced atmosphere. Crystal white Napa leather seats with diamond pattern stitching create a level of refinement comparable to many of today's most prestigious luxury SUVs. A multicolor ambient lighting system extends throughout the cabin, dramatically transforming the mood and character of the interior at the touch of a button. Rear passengers benefit from executive-class accommodations, including generous legroom, individual entertainment displays, and numerous comfort-focused features. 3. Performance, pricing, and target customers. Although the Phantom Q9 currently exists only as a conceptual vision, it can easily be imagined as a flagship electric performance SUV positioned at the very top of Audi's lineup. A logical configuration would feature a dual-motor electric powertrain paired with Audi's intelligent Quattro all-wheel drive system, delivering exceptional traction in virtually every condition. Total output could realistically approach 700 horsepower, enabling this large luxury SUV to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4 seconds. Performance, however, is about much more than acceleration figures, and the Phantom Q9 would likely rely heavily on a next-generation adaptive air suspension system. Such technology would allow the vehicle to adjust ride height dynamically while balancing limousine-like comfort with the stability expected from a performance-oriented machine. On European motorways, the SUV would likely deliver an exceptionally quiet experience thanks to advanced sound insulation and refined aerodynamic engineering. When faced with challenging mountain roads, rear wheel steering and electronic torque vectoring could make the vehicle feel surprisingly agile despite its substantial dimensions. If brought into production, a realistic starting price could range between $150,000 and $190,000 US, depending on trim levels and optional equipment. Such pricing would place the Phantom Q9 directly against some of the most luxurious and technologically advanced SUVs available anywhere in the global marketplace. From a personal perspective, the ideal buyer would not necessarily be someone seeking basic transportation, but rather an individual searching for a technological statement. Potential customers could include successful entrepreneurs, technology investors, luxury content creators, and trendsetters who enjoy being among the first to embrace innovation. The Phantom Q9 offers the sensation of driving a vehicle from the future while remaining practical enough for daily use without sacrificing comfort or convenience. That balance is precisely what makes this concept more compelling than many futuristic show cars that look impressive, yet appear disconnected from real-world usability. The Audi Phantom Q9 2027 presents a fascinating vision of the future luxury SUV, combining dramatic styling, intelligent technology, and electrified performance within a single package. From its highly expressive exterior design to its elegant crystal white cabin, the vehicle feels as though it has been created for the next decade rather than today. Should Audi ever transform the Phantom Q9 from concept to reality, it could easily become one of the most talked about luxury SUVs in the world. But what do you think? If both carried a similar price tag, would you choose the futuristic Audi Phantom Q9 2027? Or would you still prefer a traditional luxury SUV like the Range Rover?